when the storm is near and fear is loud. Lift your heart, don't bow to doubt. Bring your burden, speak His name. God will answer just the same. Pray in faith with thanks and tears. He is listening, He is near. Every worry, every care, lay it down in humble prayer. Peace beyond what we can know,